Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Imran Siddiq and I welcome you all to English with me with yet another important and very common topic, that is shopping. It can be asked as buying things or online shopping. Remember, जहाँ भी मैंने shopping का लफ्ज़ यूज़ किया है वहाँ पे आप online shopping का word यूज़ करके और इस questions को change कर सकते हैं into online shopping. So before we move on, I just have a small request to you. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe the channel, and you also click on the bell icon so you receive the notification in the future. If you have already subscribed the channel, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart to support me. So let's just jump into it.
This question is, do you like shopping or do you enjoy shopping? Yes, I love shopping and I always look for opportunities to buy things. Yes, I love shopping and I always look for opportunities to buy things. What are your favorite things to buy? My favorite things to shop, यहाँ पे आप buy भी कह सकते हैं. My favorite things to shop are clothes and electronics. Second question, how much money you normally spend when you go out for shopping? Well, it depends how much money is spent on shopping. If I am going to buy clothes, it will be more money as compared to if I want to buy some grocery. How much money? कितनी मिकदार में आप रकम यूज करते हो नॉर्मली आप स्पेंड करना खर्च करना when you go out for shopping. Sorry. Question number 3 is, what did you buy on your last shopping? How did you feel afterwards? On my last shopping, same words you took from here, on my last shopping, I bought some clothes and I felt really good because it was a nice day and I was able to buy some clothing on sales. How long do you usually shop for? Do you try to get your shopping done as fast as possible? इसको आप एक क्वेश्चन भी बना सकते हैं जैसे मैंने बनाया और आप इसको दो क्वेश्चन भी बना सकते हो. I don't spend that much time, maybe 1 or 2 hours. I am very good shopper. I don't take long time to shop. Do you try to get your shopping as fast as possible? So here you can say I am very good shopper and I don't take long time to shop. Next question, do you shop online and what kinds of things do you buy online? Yes, I do online shopping. Do वाले क्वेश्चंस में ये क्लोज एंडेड क्वेश्चन होते हैं, इसमें आपने यस और नो से जवाब देना होता है और साथ में आप थोड़ी सी डिटेल को ऐड कर रहे हो. यस, आई डू ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग एंड आई लाइक टू बाय ओनली क्लोथिंग आइटम्स ऑनलाइन. Next question, question number 6. What wouldn't you buy online and why? What wouldn't you buy? You would not buy. This is a short form of would not. What wouldn't you buy online and why? I think I wouldn't buy some electronic devices because I think that electronics should be bought in person. Question number 7. Tell me about the most expensive thing you have ever bought. The most expensive thing that I bought was a wristwatch for my friend. The most expensive, same words, the most expensive thing that I bought, उसके पास की बात कर रहे हैं, a wristwatch was a wristwatch for my friend. Next question, do you prefer to shop alone or with other people? Well, I prefer to shop with my friends and family members. What are advantages and disadvantages of each? Means के दोनों के अपने फायदे और नुकसानात क्या हैं? What are the advantages and disadvantages? फायदे क्या हैं और नुकसानात क्या हैं? I think both have advantages and disadvantages. Like when you are alone, you just want to finish quickly, but with family you want to take your time and enjoy it. Question number 10, who does the grocery shopping in your household? How often do they do it? My mom and my wife do the grocery shopping, and I think it is done after a week. You can also say, and I think it is done weekly, or you can say it is done after a week. In both cases, you are fine. My mom and my wife do the grocery shopping, and I think it is done after a week. Number 11, are you a good shopper or bargain hunter? Well, I am a very good shopper. Actually, I always look for some nice deals. Question number 12, do you get excited about sales and discounts? क्या आप excited होते हो sales and discounts से? Yes, I really love to get some sales and discounted items. You can also say, yes, I really get excited about sales and discount. Okay? Both ways you can use it. Question number 13, when are the best sales in your country? आपके मुल्क में best sales कब होती हैं? Well, best sales in my country are normally when there is a change in weather. जब weather तब्दील होता है, मौसम तब्दील होता है. Next question, question number 14. Which do you prefer, buying things for yourself or for other people? Well, I love buying things for other people as well as myself, but I think I mostly prefer to buy things for my family. यानी कि मैं चीज़ें खरीदना पसंद करता हूँ अपने लोगों के लिए भी और अपने लिए भी, लेकिन ज़्यादातर पसंद करता हूँ अपनी फैमिली के लिए. Question number 15, do you collect points or stamps at any stores? Well, yes, I love collecting points and stamps to get discounts when I go for shopping. We already know कि जब हम लोग शॉपिंग के लिए जाते हैं तो वहाँ पर हमें डिस्काउंट्स वगैरह के लिए कूपन्स वगैरह या पॉइंट्स मिलते हैं. If you open your own shop, अगर आप अपनी शॉप खोलें अपनी, what kinds of things would you like to sell? Answer is, if I open my own shop, again here, if you just have to change you to I, if I open my own shop, I will love to sell clothing and electronics items. Okay? मैं पसंद करूंगा कि मैं कपड़े और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम बेचूं. Have you ever returned something to the shop you bought it from? क्या आपने कभी कोई चीज जो दुकान से ली कभी वापस की? Why did you return it? वजह बताएंगे. Did you get a refund? क्या आपको रिफंड मिला? Yes, I guess I returned jeans because I bought it without testing it in the trial room and I did get a refund. कि मुझे एक रिफंड भी मिल गया. यहाँ पे आप इसको जैसे उसने पूछा है, आप इसको 3 सवालों में पूछ सकते हो. आप उसको कह सकते हो, have you ever returned something? So once the other candidate answer, then you can say, why did you return it? And then you can ask, did you get a refund? क्या आपको उसका रिफंड मिला? तो आंसर इज, yes, I guess I returned jeans. पास्ट में चुके हैं did you, इसलिए हमने इसको I guess I returned में इस्तेमाल किया. Because I bought it without testing it in the trial room and I did get a refund. Do you care where products are made? Why or why not? When you go for shopping, do you care where the products are made? Why or why not? No, I don't really get panic. Yeah, you can say I don't really care. I don't really care या get panic about where they are made. They are मतलब products. If the quality is good, I will just buy it. मैं अगर क्वालिटी अच्छी होगी तो मैं उसको बाय कर लेता हूँ या बाय कर लेती हूँ. Question number 19. What time of the day do you like to shop? कि दिन के किस हिस्से में आप शॉपिंग करना पसंद करते हो? जैसे लोग मुख्तलिफ औकात में जाते हैं, कुछ दिन में जाते हैं, कुछ रात में जाते हैं. तो I like to buy things during the day. इसको आप चेंज भी कर सकते हो. You can say I like to buy things during the night. कुछ भी कह सकते हो, या evening. Because you can easily check the things in daylight. Question number 20. Which are the best cities? Which are the best cities for shopping in your country? वो कौन से cities हैं आपके मुल्क में जो shopping के लिए बेहतर हैं? Well, the best cities are my own city. You can put the name here. Any name, maybe New York, maybe London, Manchester, whatever country, or maybe if you are living in Pakistan, just like me, you say Lahore. And of course, Karachi, another city's name in my country, which is famous for shopping different items.
Okay, everyone, this is the end of our small video on the topic shopping or online shopping or buying things. I myself teach IELTS online. If you want to pass your A1 exam without any fear and with confidence, you can join our online class from Monday to Friday and we can help you. We can make sure that we help you pass this exam convincingly. You don't need to go to any institute. You can just join the online classes and we can make sure from our side that you pass your exam. Thank you so very much for being with me. I will see you in the next video. So far, so good. Allah Hafiz.